Today, I'll show you how to set up lead nurturing workflows in HubSpot. If you're looking to automate your lead follow-up process and ensure that no potential customer slips through the cracks, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a workflow setup, but also gain a deeper understanding of how HubSpot can streamline your marketing efforts. First things first, let's jump into HubSpot and navigate to the automation section. Once you're there, look for the Workflows tab. This is your go-to place for creating and managing all your automated processes. Click on it and then select Create Workflow. You'll notice an option that says With AI. This is a powerful feature that leverages artificial intelligence to simplify the setup process, making it easier than ever to create effective workflows. Now, it's time to describe your goal. This is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for your entire workflow. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve. For example, you might want to type something like, when a lead downloads my 2026 sponsorship media kit, wait 2 days, then send a follow-up email. If they don't open it, send a LinkedIn task to me. This description tells HubSpot exactly what you're aiming to do and helps the AI generate the most relevant triggers and actions. Once you've typed out your goal, the next step is to review the draft. HubSpot's AI, known as Breeze, will instantly generate a draft workflow for you. This draft will include all the necessary triggers, delays, and actions based on the goal you described. It's like having a personal assistant that takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on refining the details. As you review the draft, pay close attention to the triggers. These are the events that start your workflow, such as a lead downloading a specific file or filling out a form. Ensure that these triggers align with your initial goal. Next, look at the delays. These are the pauses built into your workflow, like waiting 2 days before sending a follow-up email. Delays are important for timing your interactions effectively and not overwhelming your leads. Finally, examine the actions, which are the specific tasks that will occur within your workflow. In our example, this includes sending a follow-up email and creating a LinkedIn task if the email isn't open. Make sure these actions are set up to guide your leads down the path you want them to take. Once you're satisfied with the draft, go ahead and approve it. This will activate your workflow, and HubSpot will start nurturing your leads according to the parameters you've set. Remember, you can always come back and tweak your workflow if you find that something isn't working as expected. HubSpot's flexibility allows you to refine and optimize as you gather more data and insights about your leads. And that's it. You've successfully set up a lead nurturing workflow in HubSpot. By automating these processes, you're not only saving time, but also ensuring that each lead gets the attention it deserves, helping you convert more prospects into loyal customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital marketing tools.